that is also a part of advanced PPC things. But for a basic fundamental and for basic knowledge, you can understand that call only ads work where. Okay, so the urgent service should be related to call only ads. If someone looking for urgent service, they are not they can't just wait for a long time. Okay, so for urgent service, go for call only ads. What is gallery ads now? Gallery ad is very simple. You have seen that especially on Facebook, because most of the time these gallery ads work on Facebook. So, as per as the data and researches, early testing indicate that gallery ads drive 25% more engagement. Okay, than standard text ads. Then what's gallery ad? Gallery ad is this one, especially on Facebook. This really works on Facebook. You have seen that a particular brand who is the advertiser and is sponsored as well, and little bit information. And here you can see multiple pictures, and they can just swipe right and left, and can see different products that are available for that particular website. Okay, these are the form of gallery ads. In shopping ad, you just have a single picture and their description, their title, and their pricing. In gallery ad, here you can see, you can just swipe different product from that. Okay, in shopping ads, yes, in shopping ads, definitely when you search for particular term for particular product, there may be different competitors on that shopping ads, one, two, three, four. But in gallery ad, there is one single ad. Okay, and the advertiser can show multiple images to you in a single go. Like for City Beach, they are just selling the, I think, that bag and a jumpsuit. Okay. So who can benefit from gallery ads? Imagery is processed by human brain 60,000 times faster than text. Definitely, image and videos have another significant impact as compared to text. First impression are formed in 50 milliseconds and images are processed in 30 milliseconds. So this is also an example that how you can grab the attention of the user for different formats of ad. If you are a content creator, then definitely you just have 1 second at least. Okay, here it is saying 50 millisecond, but when you go for video ad, you have 1, 2, or maximum 3 seconds to grab that attention of the user. If they find it relevant, if they find it interesting, then definitely they will see it. Otherwise, they will just swipe up and will see another video. And that's why most of the people, most of the content creators who have good content, but they fail to grab the attention in the initial phase. When they start the video, they fail to grab the attention, even though they have a good content after that. Okay, because people leave it. Same goes for advertisement. If they don't find it relevant, then they will escape. And you too done that. When you are watching a YouTube video and you got an ad, you have 5 seconds of that. Sometimes people don't just see the whole ad; they just cancel video and again watch it. But nowadays, YouTube are just bombarding with ads. They are every time whenever you opening a video, they will show you ad. So for that 5 second, that advertisement will only have that. If the visitors find that 5 second interesting, then definitely they will watch the entire ad. I've too done that. I don't skip ad. Sometimes I watch the entire ads of 1 minute of 1.5 minutes because I find it relevant in the initial phase, in the starting phase. So customers are more likely to remember content that include visual imagery. We can remember image easily as compared to text. Mm, and other data as well. People recall it when they see and what they read. So here's just a simple data that people can remember your image. The chances is that 80%, and if you're going with a text head, then the chances is 20%.